Hello everyone, this is class 7th maths exercise 6a. We have already started. So question number 4 we are going to do. The angles of a triangle are in this ratio. Find each angle. All the three angles in the ratio are given. We have to find the value of each angle, right? हर एक angle की value find करनी है. For that what to do? Sum of all the angles of a triangle. What it is? 180 degree. Ratio, this form is given. Then we can write angle A. First part over total ratio, that is 7 plus 3 10 plus 2 12 into angle sum. Cancel it. 12 ones are 12, 12 15s are 180. 15 into 3 is 45 degree. This is first angle. In the same way we will find angle B. 2 over total. Total is 12 into 180. 30 degree. Next is 7 into 180. 105 degree. Clear? These are the all angles of the triangle. You can find that whether the question is right or wrong by adding all the angles. अगर इसका आंसर 180 आ रहा है then it's correct, otherwise it's a wrong question. Clear जी? So next question number 5 is, a rectangular field is 100 meter by 80 meter. 100 meter by 80 meter का मतलब है कि एक rectangular field है. Means जैसे कि एक rectangle होती है, we have a field like this. We can do its naming A, B, C, D. And here is written it is 100 by 80 meter, right? 100 by 80 meter means that 100 length is equals to 100 meter and breadth is equals to 80 meter. Clear? And find the ratio of length to its breadth. So first part, ratio of length to breadth. How to find? I have already told you in the introduction that if we have to find ratio of two numbers, then we will divide them and then we can find the answer. So it is 100 meter over 80 meter. This is the ratio of length to breadth. Now length we have written in the numerator, breadth into denominator. Meter will be cancelled, 0 into 0 will be cancelled, and then 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10. Now we can't cancel them, so we can write it 5 over 4, or you can write 5 ratio 4. Clear? So second part of this question is breadth to its perimeter. We have to find ratio breadth की perimeter के साथ ratio find करनी है. Perimeter we don't have, it's not given. So what to do? We will find the perimeter of rectangle. Perimeter of rectangle is 2 into length plus breadth. Start putting the values. 100 meter plus 80 meter, 2 into 180 meter. That will be 360 meter. Okay, after multiplying you will get 360 meter. Now we have to find ratio of breadth to perimeter. So what is a breadth? कितनी है breadth हमारे पास? Breadth is given 80 meter over 360 meter. Ratio I have written. Now I will find it. Now we can cancel it. 2 4s are 8, 2 12s are 36. Sorry, why mistake I said. It's 2 4s are 8 and 2 18s are 36. Again we can cancel it. 2 2s are 4, 2 9s are 18. So it is 2 over 9, or it can be written 2 is to 9, or you can say 2 ratio 9. So next question we will do in next video. Thank you.